I'm Olivia, a custody advisor. I'm Olivia. I'm Olivia, a custody advisor at Wall Street Prison Consultants. Today I'm going to explain about federal criminal investigations. Before I jump in, there are two factors a defendant should be aware of. Many cases are built utilizing informants, who won't hesitate to lie and provide false information about a defendant to receive the benefit of cooperation and receive a favorable sentence in their own criminal case. The second factor is the agents themselves. While they are sworn to obey the law and conduct legal investigations, some do not and won't hesitate to create fraudulent evidence to aid in prosecution and convictions. While some agents may appear to be friendly and helpful, they are not your friend and are looking to convict you at all costs, and will try putting you at ease so you'll give up information they may not legally be entitled to. This is why it's important to carefully review all discovery that the prosecution is legally obligated to provide, so a defendant can look for fraudulent evidence presented against them. Be aware, convictions based on fraudulent evidence can affect a defendant's sentence, place of incarceration, and possible fines and restitution. Federal criminal investigations typically begin when a law enforcement agency becomes aware of potential criminal activity. The source can include whistleblowers, informants, surveillance, victims reporting crimes, or even routine inspections. Some of the primary federal agencies involved include the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, Secret Service, Homeland Security, and the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, among others. Before launching a full-blown investigation, agencies often conduct a preliminary inquiry to determine if a credible crime has taken place under their jurisdiction. This stage involves gathering preliminary evidence, conducting initial interviews, and evaluating the legitimacy of the information received. If the preliminary inquiry substantiates the suspicion, a full investigation ensues. The steps include agents collecting physical, electronic, and documentary evidence and searching properties with warrants, electronic surveillance, or undercover operations, agents interviewing witnesses and talk to those who might have information about the crime, ensuring their testimonies are recorded and verified. During the investigation, agencies must adhere to the legal bounds set by the U.S. Constitution, especially the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. To search private properties or tap phones, for instance, agents usually need a warrant issued by a judge based on probable cause. Once the investigation concludes, agents compile their findings and present them to federal prosecutors in the Department of Justice. These prosecutors then review the evidence and determine if they are going to proceed with prosecution, if there's sufficient evidence, and move the case forward, and present the case to a grand jury for indictment, or decline prosecution where evidence is insufficient, or there's doubt about the chances of conviction. The prosecutor might opt not to press charges. For more information and assistance on understanding federal criminal investigation procedures, you should consider hiring a prison consultant.